Good morning! Ayan, I'm ready na guys. Ayan, dahil kami po ay magbe-beach. So, maglo-lotion muna ako guys. Ayan. And this is my outfit for today. My swimsuit for today guys. Ayan. Maglagay tayo ng lotion guys kasi, ayan, this is my lotion na ginagamit for sun protection. Ayan, sun protection to siya guys. And, ayan, isa to sa nagpapaputi sa akin, guys. Ayan, itong ating lotion na ginagamit. Ayan, so, I'm ready na. I'm ready to go na, guys. Ayan, ito yung aking swimsuits na nabili, guys. For only 350 pesos. Ayan, I really love it, guys. Ayan, medyo nag-shape na nga po yung aking body, guys. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack yan siya, guys. Ang ganda niya, ayan. For only 350 pesos. Ayan, nag-shape na nga po yung aking guys. Ayan, super nag-shape na yung aking likod. My problem is only my tummy. So, ayan guys, konting exercise na lang to siya guys. Konting exercise na lang siya. So, ayan po. Ayan, I'm waiting for my friend. Hinihintay ko na lang po yung aking friend guys dahil kami po ay magbe-beach. Magbe-beach kami guys and ayan, finifit ko nga po yung aking swimsuits na gagamitin. And ayan, mukha naman siyang maganda guys. I really love it. Ayan, I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. Pack na pack. I'm so happy because ayan, it's very cheap. Ayan, for only 350 pesos. 350 pesos lang siya guys. So, ayan po. Look guys, I have a, ayan. So, this is my, guys, nagagamitin. Yung aking sunglass guys. Ito yung aking gagamitin sunglass. Ayan, for only, fashion only guys. Ayan, o diba ang ganda? I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys. So, diba? Ang ganda ko na guys. Ang ganda rumampa. Ayan. Ayan guys. Because I love modeling. I love modeling guys. So, I love to guys, to rampa. Rampa. Ayan. Pack. Ayan guys. Ayan po. Ayan. This is my fashion for today. My fashion. Ayan. Ayan. Ang tagal ng aking friend guys. Naboboring na ako. I feel so bored waiting on my friend. Ang tagal-tagal guys. Naiinip na ako. Naiinip na ako guys.